Beautiful day up here in the Midwest, about 45 to 50 degrees, so not too bad. What's going on, Six Speeders? Very, very beautiful day up here, and I thought it's about time. It's about time that we wash this freaking FRS. It's been too dang long. Been about 2 months since last time she even got it washed. So hopefully it could be a little happy camper and start looking good again. And there she is. And if you guys want to see, you guys could see all the dirt on her. My goodness. She is dirty, and including there's something from my friends that put down wash me on it. So you guys can tell that she needs to be washed and everything. The rims are dirty, everything's dirty. So, about time that we hooked up the old power washer and get her washed again. That is the number one thing that I don't like about dark colored cars. You could see all the dirt, debris, everything. Everything on it, from the little ounce of dust to the biggest mud spots. That's my least dislike about this car, is it's always hard to keep clean. But hey, that's why they invented car washes, right? Fact about these, you guys, these are known as bug mitts. Basically what they do is, if you have bugs on your front bumper, they'll just scrape off all the bugs safely and everything good like that. Now beware, they can scratch your car. And it doesn't look half bad if I don't say so myself. All cleaned up and all happy. So she's all soaked, and now just to spray it all off. Whew. So finally the car is all, well, washed. I need to dry it off now. But it just looks a lot better. When the rims pop. I mean, this is what this car's been needing ever since freaking winter. Now that winter's over and finally spring is hopefully in the house here soon, it's just happy. There is one thing that I do have to complain about with the louvers. Right there, it likes to pop up, so I'm going to have to buy some more 3M tape and tape that down. But hands down, the car does look a lot happier. Also, in the ideal world, really fast, you want to use 2 buckets instead of one. One for usually washing, rinsing, and then one with the soap inside of it for the wash mitt. But, you know, at the end of the day, it is what it is, and honestly, it's a lot happier and it looks a lot better. So now that the car is all dry, in the perfect world, you would have a chamois or a nice microfiber to dry off the car and everything to preventative scratches. And then you would have another towel for your awesome rims, just to kind of like wipe off or anything because of brake dust, dirt, everything. So this right here is an amazing thing. It's called touch-up paint. Usually you can use this stuff on any bare metal spot, rock chips, anything. And what it does is it basically covers up the bare metal or primer to prevent it from rusting or just make your car look bad, everything good like that. All you just need is your VIN number, go down to your company where your car's made, to any dealership, tell them that, and they can order it for you. This one right here only cost me about $8, and it's a great thing for the awesome Scion. And I actually do have a bare metal spot on my hood. You guys see right there in that little squiggly spot right there. I sadly, I don't know how that happened, but I got a squiggly mark. Probably happened before from the owner previously that owned this car. So we're just going to touch it up and make it look good. You want to shake it up for about, I always recommend 3 to 5 minutes, just to kind of like help the paint look good and everything, and then touch it up. Suggestion would be to always just take another rag if you can, or the same one, but don't use the same one that you use on your rims, just to kind of like wipe out the door jambs, make it all clean and everything for them. That way all the dirt goes by and everything goes like that. Always hit up here, the weather strip, and then simple as that. And then you just come on over here and you do it to your other side. Be sure to always dry it out, which I know right there. Very, very simple. And then your trunk, of course, because pine needles, stuff like that, like to get in there. Of course, pine needles, dirt, debris, anything like that. And again, it looks a lot better than without all that dirt on it. So that's it for this video, you guys. Finally, the Scion is back to normal, and I hope that those tips will help you guys out. Another big tip that I always do suggest to people is, okay, so if your car is garaged and looks, you know, stored inside of a garage like my Scion, wax it 2 times a year is recommended. If it's stored outside like my Acura, it is recommended that you wax it 4 times a year. There's amazing stuff that you guys could do too. Ceramic coating is a big famous thing. That stuff can last up to 4 years as long as you maintain and stuff like that. It's a process I don't fully know, but I have seen it done before. I think you got to paint correct it, clay bar it, and everything like that. I don't know much about it, but I'll probably do it for one of these 2 cars, hopefully down the road, or do a type of coating to protect my clear coat. And hopefully y'all can take some of those tips I recommended and do it to your own car and everything good like that. I'll see y'all in the next video. Stay tuned. And I'm just happy that this car is finally cleaned. So I'll see y'all in the next video. Also, don't forget to press that subscribe button, to press that like button, to come email me at 6speeders2019@gmail.com, and to come follow me on Instagram at SmithEM2000. See y'all in the next video.